What does that mean for us here in Arkansas? Tonight, we're learning more about this clinical trial. Our Alexis Wainwright spoke with a doctor at Baptist Health.
As the United States takes on a devastating explosion of coronavirus cases,
I think it would be a big game changer. If in fact most people were vaccinated, I think it would go a long way to ending the pandemic.
Massachusetts-based company Moderna reported promising preliminary results from its COVID-19 vaccine trial. And out of the 90 sites for the trial across the country, Baptist Health in Little Rock is one.
If they qualified based on their medical history, they would receive the vaccination. So half the people received the vaccination and half received the placebo.
Dr. Richard G. Pellegrino says during their trial, based on the first 95 people who had COVID-19, 90 of them were in the placebo group, meaning they didn't get the vaccine, and 5 were in the vaccine group.
It's a 94.5% effectiveness rate. You were much less likely to get COVID if you got the vaccine. So that was the whole point.
Dr. Pellegrino says this was all done on a very short timeline. They started in August.
Research is a very difficult and persnickety business. Everything has to be exactly right. And so it was difficult to get, took quite an effort to get all this accomplished.
Although this offers hope during the pandemic, Moderna released only early data from their trial. There's still more work to be done before they'll know if the vaccine is really safe and effective.
The trial is not over. The results are preliminary. They are terrific. I mean, they're very, very positive, but they're based on a small number of people.
Pellegrino says they will continue to follow people who participated in the trial for 2 years for safety reasons. He says he understands people have reservations about getting the vaccine, but
I think the data is objective and it works, and I certainly would take it. But, you know, I understand that people have reservations, and I think you just have to follow your own mind.
Even if this vaccine gets the green light from the FDA, it will still take months to reach widespread distribution. And even then, the vaccine would start with healthcare workers and